Actually, I've already done an unboxing. That failed one. I'll just take this out. Yeah, so this is the unboxing of. Not unboxing, this is like the installation video. In this case, SUPCASE Unicorn Beetle. Drop tested. Drop protection Unicorn Beetle Pro. It came in this package, I'm not joking. I have the actual video. I did an unboxing of this, which was like 2 minutes long, because it came in this and I had to ask my father if I should accept it or not. So, oh my god, this phone has lag. It's lagging, wow. Lags very much. So today we're going to install it on my phone, the Galaxy S21 Ultra. So yeah, so currently I have the smart cover. You may be like, bro, why are you replacing it? It's such a good cover. Well, sometimes it also has I also have the S Pen, but sometimes this happens. Yeah, this happens and also this happens. So yeah, this is what the phone looks like. It looks very weird and I hate it. And I have to put this like this and put it on the power button and put it over here and do it and then close it. And then sometimes it's also gone bad from over here. See, the elastic has come off. Anyways, through this process, today we'll just open this. We'll just install this. Actually, not open. Already opened it. I asked my father if I should accept it. He said fine, it's fine, accept it. So the case is fine. I cleaned it earlier. It's fine. So installation guide. Please remove the protective film tempered glass protector on the mobile. Why? I'm not gonna do that. Insert a coin into the corner. Divert split front and back casing entirely. Snap front casing onto phone. Slide into back casing bottom first, then the top, all the way around until the edges are secure. Installation is complete. You're now protected. Yes, I'm very protected. That's the installation guide. Actually, first I need to clean my phone. 1 second. So I've taken the phone out of the cover and I took a little bit of the screen protector off from the top. Yeah, you can see these 2 white dots over here. These 2. Yeah, that's from the screen protector and I can't seem to get them out. Anyways, this is the phone. This used to be my dad's phone. I really don't know how dad got there. It used to be my dad's. It got there before I even got the phone. So yeah, why isn't it? This is a mini shoe cleaning kit. This is for laptops. Yeah, this is for a mobile phone. This is for a laptop screen, for a phone screen. Everything. Guys, I'll come back when the phone has come clean. When the phone is clean, so I don't think you want to see me cleaning the phone, so I'll just skip it. So now next time you see me, my phone will be cleaned in 3, 2, 1. New freaking recording because I put my phone aside and I accidentally hit the touch capacitive buttons on. Anyways, now I can put on my phone. I've cleaned the whole phone, so yeah, take this out. And you just by the way, I can actually carry this around. This is to protect your screen. Let's take it out. That's out. Note: inserting the case face up will damage the holster. This thing, it's the holster. Position the case with the screen face down. Insert the case into the raised edges of the holster first. Secure the case onto the locking edge of the holster. So I both of these instructions. So separating front casing from rear case. Here. Oh, small thing. I'll just take it out 1 second. Okay, so it's out. Let's just take this out. ASMR. Installation. Insert a coin. Snap front casing onto phone. What is the front casing? This. So I need to snap it on. So like this. Right? Yeah. So my phone is protected, guys. So yeah, guys, that was the cover. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. See you guys later. Bye. Anyways, go on, slide into casing bottom first, then the top, and all the way around until the edges are secure. Okay. 1 second. Yeah. So slide into back casing bottom first, and then the top, and all the way around until the edges are secure. Yeah. What about the S-pen? S-pen goes in like this. Take it out, like push it up from here, like so, and then this looks heavy duty. I don't like the thing over here. I need some protection. I think there are those camera lens protectors that come online. I think I'll buy those. This looks super heavy duty. Looks cool too. So this also has this thing. So you can make your phone stand vertical. You can make your phone stand vertical. This is good for recording. And you can also make it stand horizontal like this. So for screen viewing. It's not good if you tap it very hard like this. It just falls down. If you tap it like this, it still falls down. You need to push it like that and then into place. So now let's see if the phone turns on. Oh, the buttons are quite responsive here. Nice feel and touch. Oh yeah. What about this? Okay, I'm going to the skate park. I need to put my phone down like this. Secure, super secure. The phone has a minimal camera bump, like a little minimal. My phone is completely secure. I do not feel like doing that ever again. Let's see if the phone survived. Yeah, it did. So yeah, it works. It works nice. So yeah, that was the installation video. This also has a thing over here. You can put things over here. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.